So now we're going to do one more trio. We're lying on our back. And lots of tension. Underhand grip, elbows on the floor, head down. Our first exercise is dropping the right leg down to the floor. That's all you're doing. Now make sure you've got plenty of space above your head because you're going to need that. Alright, so ready? Elbows down. Here we go. Right leg, drop down. So drop the right leg down, come back up again. Now you can move a little fast if you like here. Yeah, but make sure that your toes are pointed and your leg is as long as you possibly can make it. Good. Drop down and up. And your feet need to connect. So each time the right foot comes up, let it bang your left foot. Again, and relax. Now turn the hands around. Start the stick at the chin. What you're going to do is perform a shoulder press over your head and then come back to the chin as the right leg goes down. You ready? 2, 1. So reach back and come back in. Now, this shoulder press feels different compared to all the others that we've been doing so far today. So we did quite a lot of overhead movement patterns, but each one was completely different from the previous one. Yeah, it really was. Good. Now I want you to focus on the fact that your right arm's now feeling most of this work as that right leg goes down. Last one, and relax. So this time what we're going to do is both legs are going to go out and then both legs are going to come up. Point your toes, starting at the chin. 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Reach out and come back up. Now I want you to exhale and inhale. So drawing your lower abdomen, stretch the arms right back over the head. Good. Inhale. Good. Lengthen out. Now this is a really good opportunity. Think about lifting the pelvic floor and release. Lift the pelvic floor and relax. So done. Oh, good job everybody. So now let's do that all over again. Add lots of tension. Hands go underneath. Legs straight up. Get ready. Left leg's going to go down. Here we go. Left leg down and come back up. Point the toes. Yep, so the leg is really long and really straight. Now also lengthen out the right leg, the one that you're not moving. Yep, good. Now, do you have to touch the floor? No. Not with this, you don't have to touch the floor at all. In fact, when we do 2 legs, I don't want you touching the floor, yeah? One more. Last one. And relax. Turn the hands around. Starting at the chin, we're going to now stretch the arms back over the head. You're going to feel a lot more in that left arm than you do in the right arm. Try and get both knuckles to hit the floor. Here we go. Reach back, come back up. Good, stretch it back. So lengthen all the way out. Open out the chest. Good. So feel the knuckles hit the floor and come up. Excellent. Reach back and in. 2 more. Oh. And up. Okay, last one. And relax. So done. Good job. So now we're going to go both legs and come up. Now this is where it's not important for you to bring your feet down. In fact, if you feel it in your lower back, not a good idea. Alright? Stick at the chin. Here we go. Take it down. Breathe out. Breathe in. No, breathe out. Breathe in. Drawing your lower abdomen. Start the stick on your chin, on your face. Lengthen the arms right back over your head.